Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your phone number on Sears. If you don't have a Sears account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In for Member Perks. Click on Sign In for Member Perks. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on your account. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on Manage My Account. Under Account, you will see a section for Contact Phone. On its right side, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now, enter the new phone number you wish to use. You could also add alternate phone number, but it is just optional. After entering the new phone number, click on Save. That's how you change your phone number on Sears. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.